I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the Thinking Crypto channel, where we cover the crypto news and we interview many of the folks who are building and investing in the crypto asset class. Please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Guys, I've got bullish news to share with you. First up, it looks like PayPal has already started testing with some users the ability to purchase Bitcoin. And of course, PayPal has over 350 million users. So this was the most bullish news, I believe, for this year, where you have a massive payments company getting into the market, huge brand recognition, a lot of trust. PayPal's been around for a long time. And, this is going to be another major on-ramp for retail investors into the crypto market. And Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire already seems to be using PayPal to buy Bitcoin. The CEO tweeted a screenshot of an apparent $100 purchase of Bitcoin using the service well ahead of its official rollout date. So let me give you some more details here. There has been significant excitement in the industry since PayPal last week announced its intention to enter the cryptocurrency market. The rollout of its new crypto services, enabling both crypto payments and direct in-app purchases of crypto, has been officially set for early 2021. Yet on October 28th, the co-founder and CEO of crypto payments firm Circle, Jeremy Allaire, claimed to have used the PayPal app to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, tweeting a screenshot of the apparent transaction. So here it is, guys. Pretty cool to see this in PayPal's environment, right? And Allaire did not clarify how he had access to the service prior to its official rollout. In correspondence with Cointelegraph, a representative from PayPal explained, "At launch, we said the service will be available to PayPal account holders in the US in the coming weeks, meaning that users in the US would have access over time starting on October 21st. So, guys, once this thing is fully rolled out and, the marketing starts, this is a huge on-ramp. So bullish, guys, so bullish. And like I said in the video when this news broke, banks, credit card companies, a lot of these other payment companies are going to be offering crypto trading, custody, wallet, payments, buy, sell, trade, the whole full gambit there of options, right? So very bullish for the market, and as stated before, they have over 350 million users between PayPal and Venmo, and this is very, very exciting. Now, moving ahead, we're seeing a lot of interest into Bitcoin and the crypto market from all levels. Yesterday, we talked about countries like Iran, right? Their central bank going to use Bitcoin for imports. And then you have celebrities. You have, of course, your Wall Streeters, your hedge fund managers, your millionaires, your billionaires, your publicly traded companies, your CEOs. They're all on multiple levels, guys. It's pretty interesting to watch this play out. So Deepak Chopra considers buying Bitcoin, pursues Love in Action token amid COVID-19. And if you don't know who he is, he's an American Indian author, well-known, prominent figure in the New Age movement. He has books and videos, and one of his best known and he's one of the best known and wealthiest figures in alternative medicine. So it's when people like this come out and make statements that they want to buy Bitcoin, I mean, you know what's going to happen, right? All their followers are going to start looking into Bitcoin and crypto, and many of them will end up investing. So very, very interesting statements here. I don't think I need to read through the fact that he's interested. He's making it public. I think we'll see more celebrities jumping in as well. Now, guys, some interesting news here. Swiss arm of Russia's Gazprom Bank, if I'm saying that right, launches institutional Bitcoin offerings. So we're seeing banks, we're seeing stock exchanges, and all around the globe just jumping into the crypto market. So Gazprom Bank, a bank from the fold of Russian energy giant Gazprom, is launching institutional cryptocurrency services in Switzerland. In an announcement Thursday, the regulated Swiss arm of the bank said it has now received authorization from FINMA to launch the new services, initially to a limited number of clients. Gazprom Bank will later expand the offerings to more, listen to this, institutional and corporate clients. Keywords there, institutional and corporate. They didn't say retail. Retail is pretty, that is being solved right now by PayPal and of course all the crypto exchanges that existed. They're building it for the wealthy individuals, guys, and not just your random wealthy person, but corporate clients. So just like MicroStrategy put a lot of their cash reserves into Bitcoin, they're going after these corporates. Whether you're a publicly traded company or even if you're private, right? We will help you to invest into the crypto market and provide custody. So here I'm going to continue reading. To expand the offerings to more institutional and corporate clients, providing a custody service and Bitcoin trading against fiat currencies. More cryptocurrencies are expected to be added later. Here's a quote: "We expect digital assets to become increasingly important in the global economy." That's bullish. In particular, for our current and potential clientele, said the bank CEO Roman Abdullin. Let me read that again, guys. That's so bullish. We expect digital assets to become increasingly important in the global economy. What do I always talk about, guys? What makes this asset class so great and what I believe will be the greatest asset class ever? It's global. I always talk about you could be in any country. You got internet, you got a cell phone, you got a smartphone, you can invest into this crypto asset class. Pretty amazing, right? Bullish news, guys. Banks, stock exchanges, everybody's coming. That's why you just gotta be patient. Sit back and watch the prices go up. Library of Congress reports surge in crypto law searches. This is a big indication of how the asset class is maturing. On multiple levels, you have the data, you have the regulations and laws, you have the analytics, you have all the on-ramps, all the guardrails. So it's all the puzzle pieces coming together here. So the U.S. Library of Congress Law Division has beefed up its cryptocurrency legal resources to meet a spike in demand for information on the topics. The National Library last week unveiled a crypto guide to help users navigate the United States' evolving regulatory treatment of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Here's a quote: "Recent economic and geopolitical events have fueled readers' heightened search interest," wrote law librarian in residence Louis Myers in his October 22nd blog post. Myers' guide includes a breakdown of relevant federal regulators, tips on trying state law resources, links to secondary sources, and to the library's previous research on cryptocurrency regulation around the world. So I know this is not the most sexy news, but it's so significant. Once again, these things are par for the course for something that's maturing and growing in relevance, right? Like they said, they're seeing a surge in demand for information from a law perspective, because as cryptocurrency as a new asset class becomes more prominent in our lives, and there's going to be lawsuits and people suing each other, and what happens when people divorce, and what happens when this happens and that, and stolen property and all that, right? It's seeping into our lives and the normal elements of living, right? And that's bullish, guys. That's bullish. That's what you want to see. And all of these different avenues and pathways to information are being built now for the crypto asset class. It's pretty amazing to watch all of this unfold. I got into the market in 2016. I know some of you have been here longer, so I'm sure you see the contrast of how things were years ago versus now. I think we are now past the point of skepticism. There was once, the point of people calling this a Ponzi scheme and fake internet money. That's no longer the case. It's now a matter of what's the new price point going to be? What's the new all-time high? Who's getting into the market, right? The narrative has completely changed, guys. Very bullish. I hope you understand. And, this is why I share the facts with you guys. And it's not something I dreamt up or some conspiracy theory. It's what's actually happening today, and how things are progressing and the trajectory of where the market's going. So very bullish. What do you guys think about this news? I'm excited for when PayPal is completely up and running to see what happens there, and especially the marketing that's going to follow it, right? So leave your thoughts and comments below, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you.